Okay, good morning children. So today we are continuing our tenses. We have chapter 12 we have completed. You will have to fill your PDF. And now I'll start number 13, lesson number 13. Present tense. All of you open your grammar. Page number 66 and 67 I'll explain you today. Yeah. Present tense. So simple, then continuous, perfect continuous. Okay. All tenses I'm going to explain you today. Yeah. Present tense. Read the sentences given below. All of you open this page number and keep your fingers. In example number A. He goes to office every day, every morning. I go to my friend's house every Sunday. The boy plays in the park every day. The earth revolves around the sun. The verbs in these sentences are in the simple present tense. Now see children how you will use plays. I already explained you once again, okay? Plays in third person. Now how many persons are there? Persons, first, second and third. Everybody knows this, है ना? Now singular, only one thing, and plural, more than one. Plural, okay? Now first person singular is I. Plural, we. Then second person, you. Third person, he, she, it. And plural will be they. Right? Now we are taking the word play. I play. We play. Again, you play. Now this is very important. He, she, it. With he, she, it, you will use plays. P-L-A-Y-S. Most important. Everybody makes a mistake here. Now he can be for any male. He. Uncle, brother, sir, anybody can be he. She, female. Female you don't know, aunt, sister, mother. And it you will use for non-living things, singular. And for animals we can use it, and for small babies also we can use. With we it will be same, you same, they also same. Only you have to remember this. So the earth revolves around the sun. The verbs in these sentences are in the simple present tense. Now simple present tense. The simple present tense is used. Now where is it used? See, it is used to express a habitual action, means daily what we do. That is a habitual action. Custom, routine or habit. Example, Sneha wakes up early every morning. To express a general truth. The earth revolves around the sun. To express a fact that is true at the time of speaking. There is bright sunshine all around. To show a future event which is already arranged. The IPL matches begin tomorrow. In exclamatory sentences that begins with here or there and express an action currently happening. Here comes the queen. All of you keep your fingers up. Then only you will understand. There goes the train. In questions with the words do or does. Do you swim in the sea very often? Few more examples are given here. Anu walks to school every day. Most flowers bloom in the spring season. There is a big crowd at the main gate. Our examinations begin tomorrow. Here comes the chief guest. Boys play on the swings. The baby smiles. The teacher teaches. Clouds bring rain. He is a sincere boy. Now these all I read for you. And you will also read at home yourselves. See in the video and read. Then you will know reading also. Now form of simple present tense. When the subject of the sentence is singular. Singular I have told you one. He, she, it. And with other singular subjects we add S, ES or IES. This we have done previously also to the verb. We write root form of the verb plus S plus ES. Root form means main form of the verb. Main, play. This is root form. Played is past tense. And again played will be past participle. So with the root form you will add S. Clear all of you? See. Or we can add ES also. Now for example is teach. Right? So it will become teaches. In the third person singular. The past tense will be taught, taught. Past participle, okay? When the subject is plural, be or they, or with other plural subjects, we do not add S, ES or IES to the verb. We write the root form of the verb. The girls play with the ball because this is plural, girls. So, play. Now here. When I is used, we do not add S, ES or IES to the verb. With I, you will put main form of the verb will be added to it. I play with a ball. Now fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. My grandmother. Grandmother is she. And we want correct form of the verb. Takes care of her health. It will be takes. T-A-K-E-S. Next, children. Children is plural. So, we will write here eat. Children eat vegetarian food. Children like to watch a magic show. Here it will be like. Then we eat vegetarian food. We, plural. So, eat, main form of the verb. This market has many shops. Now market is a what? Singular, no? Singular. So we will use with it has. I have, we have. You have, you have. He, she, it has. And they have. The market is it. So we will use has here. Market has many shops. He dashed the instruction. He follows. Why? He is third person singular. So we will add S. The instructions given by his mother. Books. Now B. The form of beer is M-R. And past tense will be was, were. Yeah. So here. This market has many shops. Sorry. Yeah, correct. Books are a storehouse of knowledge. Books, plural. So we will add R to it. Then water boils. Water is singular. Water is it. So we will add here S. I respect my parents. With I, main form of the verb. Always root form will be used. Okay? Verbs change from according to the time of action. Main verbs are usually words like eat, drink, play, sing and other action words. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. They are helping verbs like forms of the verbs be. Forms of is, am, are, was, were, and have. The forms of have are have, has, had, will have, and shall have. Now examples. I am reading the newspaper. Auxiliary verb am, main verb is reading. The girl is talking with her grandma. Auxiliary verb is, and talking is the main verb. A sentence may have multiple auxiliary verbs like Shashi has been sleeping since morning. Has been auxiliary verb, main verb is sleeping. Forms of verbs main and auxiliary indicate the time of action and hence the tenses. This all you have to learn by heart. This is very important. All the rules are given here. See, points to remember. The negative form with subject plus do, does, plus not, plus base form of the verb. The girl does not play with a ball. Now, where to use do and does? Do you remember? I do. We do. Okay, this is first person singular, plural. Second, you do, you do. Here it will be he, she, it. This you have to remember, children. He, she, it does. And then they do. Clear, everybody? See. The girl does not play with a ball. Now here I want to show you where to use do and does. I do, we do, you do, you do. He, she, it does. Now the girl, so does. You want to change it into negative, so we'll add not to it. The girl does not play with a ball. Now for yes and no questions, the interrogative is formed. You know what is interrogative? I have already explained you. What? Interrogative means questions. Interrogative is formed with do, does, plus subject, plus base form of the verb. Base form means main form of the verb. Does the girl play with a ball? Question. Does plus subject plus base form plus object. 4 questions beginning with a question word. Now these are all question verbs, WH questions. In that we have to add how also. When, why, how, what, whose. We write question word plus do or does plus subject plus root form of the verb. Example, where does she go for tuition classes? Here are more examples. The metro does not connect all the remote areas, negative. The news channel does not show anything about the car race being held in Australia, negative. So children, these 2 pages I have already explained you. This PDF I will send you. And please do your day-to-day work. Otherwise you will not be able to complete your notes. As soon as schools will start, we are going to check your notes. And exam is on head now. So prepare at home day-to-day work. Parents, please day-to-day work कराओ. दररोज in good and neat and clean handwriting with a pencil. Okay, bye children.